Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. So first of all, when you click on your profile picture at the top left hand corner, see three dots on your right hand corner. Then when you scroll down, you will see turn to professional mode. My own, it says turn professional mode off. So you will see turn to professional mode or turn on professional mode. So when you click on turn on professional mode, it will take you through you will be asked to choose the category and then to accept that you want to, or to confirm that you want to turn it to professional mode or a creator. Alternatively, if you have already turned off to professional mode and you want to change, maybe you were signed up as maybe a different profile category and you want to change it to digital creator, you come to the top and click on the edit, and then you scroll down. You see details, so you click on the edit by beside it. Then you see my profile is digital creator, so you click on it. If your own is not digital creator and you want to change it to digital creator, so for example, you can easily now choose the category you want. So if my own was entrepreneur and I wanted to change it to digital creator, I would have just come and click on the digital creator. But already my own is digital creator, so I don't need to change it again. So that is exactly, if you do that, you have to save it, and that is exactly how you can change your profile to a digital creator. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.